Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Mubaraka Zarif and this channel is all about beauty, makeup, skincare and much more. So I'm really excited for today's video as I'm going to be sharing with you my reviews on the Beauty Glaze Color Studio Pressed Powder Eyeshadow Palette. This is how the palette looks like. Now the original price for this one is somewhere around 1600 rupees, but I have got it in 999 rupees from Cuffs and Lashes. It is always on discount on Cuffs and Lashes. So if you like how this palette works, which I'm going to show you in further video, you can go ahead and get this on Cuffs and Lashes. Even a lot of Instagram pages have this palette with them, which they sell for like 999 or 1200, somewhere around that price. So if you are interested, you can always go ahead and buy it from them as well. I will be providing link to the Cuffs and Lashes website in the description box below, and also I will link some of my favorite Instagram store where you could get this palette. So let's talk about the packaging first. It comes in a red and black cardboard box like this, and it has the name written on it. Now it comes with 42 grams of product in total, and it is good up to 24 months after you open it. And this is how the palette looks like from inside. I know it's very dirty, but it is a much loved palette. And it has 35 eyeshadows in total. So this palette has all the colors that you would ever need to create an eyeshadow look. Now talking about the shades in this palette, it has 5 to 6 shimmer shades like this green one, this pink one right here. It has a copper shade which looks very pretty, and also a champagne shade which looks really good as an highlighter, and rest of the shades are matte. Now talking about the formula of these eyeshadows, these are really buttery soft to touch and it gets blended really well. You will not find any weird patches on your eyes while you blend it. But at the same time, the yellow shade and this red shade right here, and also the white shade, and I guess this blue one, they are a little chalky. Like when you even touch them, they feel very chalky to hand. They are not as buttery soft as the other shadows in this palette, but I feel it's okay, like it's still workable. Okay, chalo, now let's move on, and I will be doing a very fun eye look. I'll use as much as colors as possible, and I will create an eye look, and let's see how it works on eyes. The only con I find in this palette is that there is no mirror, so you have to like have another mirror with you. I always use this shade to set my eyes, like after applying the concealer, I go in with this color and set it. Okay, so I'm done with my eye look. This is how it looks like. I know I went a little overboard, but why not? We are just testing out the palette right here. So yeah, my final words on this palette would be yes, you can definitely give this a try. It's a beautiful palette in a budget. If you're someone who's starting to do makeup blogging, you want to experiment with colorful looks, you can definitely go for this palette instead of, you know, spending money on expensive palette like Morphe, James Charles, Jaclyn Hill, all that. You can just keep buying on those and go for this one, and I'm sure you will not be disappointed. And yeah, with that we finished with today's video. I hope this review was helpful for you guys, and if it did help you in any which ways, do not forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. It will mean a lot to me. प्लीज़ 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 वीडियो को लाइक करना बिल्कुल ना भूले. आप लोग देखते हो पर लाइक करना भूल जाते हो. सो प्लीज़ लाइक दिस वीडियो इफ़ दिस वाज हेल्पफुल फॉर यू. एंड ऑल्सो इफ देयर इज़ एनी अदर आई शैडो पैलेट और एनी अदर makeup product that you want me to review, please let me know in the comment section below. I would be really happy to review it for you guys as well. So yeah, that is it for today's video. I will see you in my next one. Bye.